Hey, I am your host. Welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Skate4 Error Code 12247233330. The error reads, "You are not eligible to participate in this activity as you do not meet minimum requirements." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error may come after a game update and prevents players from accessing the game. According to our research, the error may occur because of system issues, outdated firmware, or possible game bugs. To deal with this error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your system and try again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update your system firmware. If there is any update available, install it and check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then the issue may be because of a game bug. In this case, check if there are any new updates for the game. If there are none, then contact EA support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.